you remember that guy?
I don't remember that guy. I don't even remember
You don't
that guy.
remember him at all? Look at this.
It's different.
You see that shine?
Yeah.
And that's what we did, man.
That's a wonderful job. I like it, you know, so far.
How about with women? How was it with the hair with women?
They say, hey, I like your hair.
Excellent.
You know, so.
All right, so what we did was the Max Harris hair transplant. Because they heal so perfect, you can just see that little tiny trace line. That's it, perfect, absolutely perfect. Perfect.
I'm glad, you know, and I can come in the office, see my doctor, and then hook me up more.
Congratulations.
I know, you're the best.
Thank you.
You know.
I started losing my hair when I was close to 40. Actually, I was late. Every single movie, every single picture, I just decided that he was the doctor. You know, I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. My procedure day was great, no pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls. It was answered like this. You know, so and you know the results are truly amazing. One procedure. I thank Dr. Bolton for really, you know, my expectations were met and beyond.
We did a Max Harris hair transplant procedure on James in 2006. Gosh, 8 years ago.
8 years ago, and it's looking better every day, it seems. You sat me down and you wouldn't let me leave until you convinced me that this could be fixed. I could tell you were very sincere and, more than anything, very dedicated to what you were doing. I'm so grateful that I did come to you. Well, I couldn't be happier either, and I appreciate you and I appreciate your expertise and the artist in you.
Thank you so much, man. Well, I appreciate you coming in. Thank
Absolutely.
you very much for everything.
I first started losing my hair around age 19, really lost my confidence. One of the best things I've ever done for myself, both physically and emotionally. It was really smooth. I was really comfortable. The hair grows in quick and it grows in dense. The office and the staff here at Dr. Bolton's office are fantastic. Dr. Bolton knows what he's doing. He's definitely a professional and a pro. You don't need to look any further than Dr. Bolton. I would 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to anyone. Thank you for giving me a new leash on life.